Foldable iPhones are coming to town, and yeah, they probably do see you while you're sleeping, and they probably do know when you're awake, so there's that. Hello and welcome back to I.O. I'm your host Rebecca Felgate, covering the news for you here today, and we are talking about the evolving world of tech. Before we get into the news, why don't you let me know what phone you have in the comments box down below. Are you Team Apple, Android or Google, or have you gone rogue with another choice? iPhones. You know iPhones, they've kind of looked the same since they debuted over 10 years ago. They're kind of like blackish rectangles. The most Apple have deviated from the original design is to go full screen and no home button, but still it's a rigid rectangle all the way. Rigid Rectangle. Great band name. Anyway, this might be all about to change. According to a Wall Street analyst, iPhones are about to get flippy. That's right, foldable iPhones may be on the market as soon as 2020. Not much is known at this point, as these are simply strong rumours, but if this is the case, it would be a major step in redesigning the face of an iconic phone look. Analyst Wamsi Mohan met with Apple suppliers in Asia. Now, they told their clients that the next generation of iPhones coming this autumn will be unlikely unchanged from the OLED version of the iPhone X. Mohan also reassured clients that ongoing production shouldn't be impacted by the trade argument going on between the States and China. As you may know, a number of parts used by Apple for iPhones, iPads and Apple Watches are indeed made in China. So guys, what do you think to this news? By 2020, flip phones, like, are you down with that? I personally thought that we'd left the folded phones firmly at the beginning of the last decade, along with glitter hair mascara, trouser skirts and crimping irons, but these things, I guess they always find their way back into circulation, don't they? How would it even work though? Like, what would happen to the predominant screen design that Apple is so known for? Or would it be like business as usual, but like you could just fold it into tiny pieces? If so, how would that even work? Like, what kind of wizardry would that be? I need more answers, Apple. If you're watching, which I know you always are, answers. I demand answers. I demand answers. Good. So before I bust on out of here and high kick my way through the day, I'm gonna read a few comments from one of Charlotte's videos last week. Keeping it in the world of tech, let's go with some comments from the Facebook story. If you guys haven't already heard, people are ditching their Facebook, but to be honest, most of you watching this video are pretty young, so you probably don't have it anyway. It's for golden oldies like me. Proving my point, just some random person said, "I've never had Facebook, but I love YouTube." Good, we love YouTube too. Lauren Smith said, "Twitter is my favourite." Shout out to Lauren, she's a big supporter of all of our channels on the network, so yay for Lauren. Do any of you guys agree with Lauren and think that Twitter is the queen of social sites? For me, I love Instagram. I'm all about the gram, but I know that that's owned by Facebook, so I'm very confused. Meanwhile, West Los Angeles Veterans Hiking Club deviated from the topic to pay the Potato Queen a compliment. They wrote, "Nice coat, Dobre." It was a nice blazer, wasn't it? She looked very profesh. Good on her. Okay, so time is here for me to wrap up the video. Do let me know what you think to foldable phones, and let me know if you've deleted your Facebook yet. For now, I'm Rebecca Felgate. Why not give this video a good thumbs up, share it with a friend, and stay subscribed for more daily news. Bye!